GG's me or opening the fucking house.
Frick. The one guy who can barely play the game because... You know what? There's a dishwasher right here, there's a counter right here, and there's a counter right here.
What?
The person who can't really play the game gets tagged. Or is the tagger...
I mean, I kinda used to be Banana, but I got, that thing that was boring, so, yeah.
Well, at least you let me tag
Now!
you.
Alright, chat. I'm
Alright,
thick of it.
chat.
Everybody knows.
Why are they
No, they
both
wears
going
nose.
What the Ohio?
What, an Ohio villain?
You know, I don't even... I'm so scared. Not scared. I don't even know that I feel like I'm gonna hit something.
I don't even know. Is he down here? I saw him go down here.
No, I am bored. I'm gonna...
I'm
Oh,
on
hi.
the crate, you can get me. Let's go! Net.
Ow, my headset just spin
playing
around.
crates?
Yes. No, not at all. Okay, I just kind of want to annoy you guys. I got stuck.
Oh, this is a normal crystal. I remember these. I'm on a crate.
Remember what?
These old crystals.
They're not. Those are from the new map. I'm pretty sure. This re-imported into here. Kind of like
You remember when caves had those crystals that didn't have that weird you stare into and it looks like... You stare into it and it looks like you aren't... It looks like you're staring into another realm.
I think I'm looking at Hitler.
What?
What? What do you mean? I mean, how could I not?
Crap, I just got my hand stuck.
Realistically,
Don't get us both community... Don't get us both community.
I actually like this though. This is like awesome.
the frog! The frog! The lunch leaf!
I like my cheese drippy, bruh. I like my cheese without the mold, bruh.
Damn it! I just hit my bird cage. Did your bird
What did I just hit? Oh crap. Oh crap.
God damn it! I really need to move like at better location. My screen.
Same.
I fell. Okay.
I'm just kidding.
I'm out of here.
I'm out of here.
Yeah.
Alright, I finally got a better space so I can actually play better now. Yeah, bing bongs. What do you mean finally? I have no idea.
No whatty words? What'd you say? Like a few minutes ago. Your stream delays.
Yet extreme lag.
Jeez.
Do you know someone
I'm
named
a
Deez?
little bit of a meat writer right now.
Deez?
These?
These nuts in your mouth.
Nuts?
Huh?
Nathan Hawk's being a little bit of a meat writer in your chat.
Oh, I can move fast now.
Oh, I'm not tagged? I thought it was tagged.
I thought you were tagged.
I don't want to be. Oh, what did I just say? What did I just say?
And he would know what it's
It's
like.
supposed to be a 1v1, right?
Hi.
Power, you ruined it. I'm gonna cancel you.
Yeah. I do. Okay. I just haven't really heard you talk at all.
There you are.
You're not safe. You're not safe.
You want a 1v1?
I'm a goodie. You're not safe.
Okay, I take that as a no.
Oh, wow. Oh, I want to see the moment where Gritty's right in front of I want to see the moment where Gritty right in front of a Dream.
Please don't return the favor.
Or
Please
Power.
don't return the favor. Please don't
Do
return
what?
the favor.
Return the favor.
Dude, I can't believe I actually gritty in front of you, bro.
How do you gritty in Gorilla Tag?
You just brought it on money.
Nuh-uh.
Oh damn. I'm out.
What about
Right foot creep. I'm out. Bonk. Dang it. Yeah.
too bad? Too bad with your thumbs. It's oh wait. Oh that.
Go down there. They actually.
Oh damn, bro.
Oh. Dang, bro. What? Non-specific excuse.
Not specific. That's funny. Have a better excuse.
Whoa,
That's a pretty good excuse, bro.
What? Stop the cat.
No.
Now.
No.
Meow. Are you a furry?
No, I ran into that. Did you? Yeah, most of these ironics have just been like people running into me. I'm gonna find you.
Bye. Bye, power.
Yeah,
That was so high pitched. I love it.
live stream.
I still see
Rick.
shadows in my room. Can't take that.
Can't take back the love that I gave you.
Hold on, wait. He's not. You got to find this person.
Go into the.
Find what person?
Wait.
Hey, Power. Hey, Power. Can you hear other people's like voices in their like live stream?
What do you mean? What do you like mean?
I don't know if that's gonna be able to be heard.
Like,
There's a whack something. Well, I messed that up.
What do you mean?
That was.
I mean, we can really only hear you in the live stream, so.
Yeah.
Oh, you can only hear me in the live stream?
Why do I keep going sideways?
I mean, hold on, let me try to hear this.
Voices when it comes up.
What? That's not where I. What?
Like way up.
I'm making off. Thank you.
Oh, that worked.
Activity code. Did my controller disconnect? Alright, I upped the voices because of the stream to take a while for it to actually like get through. Alright, yeah, that seems fine.
Where's who?
Oh, like a little bit angry.
Where's Crappy King?
Animated stuff. Because
Out
I
of this
saw
world.
Shiny Rocks fighting this little. Hold on, what was Where's Orange? This little thing. This. Yeah, Orange. If you don't say where you are, you're why not. You know what I mean?
I forgot the name of it. Monkey blocks.
Let me get something out of my thing.
Yeah.
Let me get a thing out of my thing because it's a thing.
Get the thing out of your things to make the thing look like a thing. What the thing?
I don't know why.
Bird is the word.
Did they add a new headbands? What the heck? I met a child in a lobby, and he asked me.
And he told
Oh,
me
wait.
that
You want to collab?
And you
that
wonder
you,
why I think you're
Like, not in a
sad.
live stream?
Yeah, kind of.
Jake,
I
please
need-
collab.
What's my headset at?
Bet.
Oh boy.
I'm done with this court case though. I gotta go to this court
I know how to get in there.
Since you're a somewhat famous YouTuber, can you get me famous?
I mean, I think
I only
all
have,
that
like,
stuff,
10
like,
Dang it, I'm being called. You know, I'm gonna invite someone to this
It
code.
would be really skibbity if you shouted me out.
What's your channel?
Oh boy.
Okay.
Join code BNB123.
Who got who?
1, 2, 3, 4. No, BNB1234.
Alright, now let's see if I can pinch climb that.
And you made me get caught. How dare you?
I can't live in city.
do you mean, how do you...
Anyway, join the code. I'm gonna leave the call because my headset's very laggy.
Hold up, did someone else join?
I don't think so. Hold on, let me check.
Oh yeah, on the leaderboard now, they just left.
What? I told someone to join this code, and
They joined and left.
the frick?
Wait, what?
How the heck did I overshoot that jump?
What do you mean I left?
Oh wait, please, no, wait.
Where y'all
High
at?
five, tiny monkey.
I think I'm dead now. Please stop, please stop me. Why did...
Alright.
No, please. No. 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 Wait, please. Oh. Hey, wait.
Shush. You have been a bad monkey. Now you must spend 10,000 years underneath the earth.
I'm about to start going up.
Hey, yo, guys, look at this. Look at this.
It's like literally right above my head.
Hey, go inside that treehouse. Go inside that treehouse.
I stole it. The what?
That was not a good experience.
Well, I'm gonna go into that and then leave the code because my headset's low. Frick.
Go to that. Come on.
Ugh, that was difficult.
Oh, wait, back. Let me just get you a rope. Nah, I failed you. Gappy, I got you a rope.
Well, I'm doing it the hard way, so. That was difficult.
Help joined. Wonder if that can mean.
There's not much in this house. I sure hope no one grabs the house and tries to throw me into the shredder.
Don't worry, it's impossible.
The fact that you didn't even try.
Oh! I can't pick you up! Bird is the word. Bird. I'm gonna make something really quick and I'm gonna put one of you in it and then I'm gonna...
Oh, wait, what's my headset at?
I mean, no.
It's at crap, that's what it's at.
They're not on a bunch of not our world.
Bird is the word.
Everybody was
Bird is the word.
Everybody was
Is my headset plugged in now? Yes. Okay. Really, you needed to tag me? How dare you? I will skip it to your face.
No.
I'm about to scam someone.
Ah, my thingy!
Hey, can someone get smaller
Nope.
and then go inside here? Please?
No.
Nope. Cuz busy.
Go inside here, and I'll go inside there.
Whoa!
Bird is the word.
Boy, go
I'm
inside
busy
here, go
making
inside here.
something with the bird. I'm making a Sierpinski triangle.
That's what you're trying to do, 'cause that's what I'm trying to do.
What?
Anyways,
What am I doing?
get in.
What am I doing? What is happening?
You just got birded.
I didn't get birded. You did.
Nuh-uh. I did. Wait. No. This isn't gonna work like this. It has to be remodeled.
Hey, go in here. Go in here.
I'm going to the cave.
See ya.
You'll never find me.
Ba ba da ba ba da ba ba ba
Hey,
ba.
someone go in here. Someone go in here. What the heck?
It's our
is this?
Sierpinski pyramid.
What?
I have like a few videos on my channel about it.
Hey, you. I have so many questions about this. Hey, you, go in here, small. Oh yeah, and do this.
Oops, I went too far. I'm reacting to the delayed stream.
Time to get out. Time to get out. Time to get out.
Banana, banana, butter, da butter, da butter, banana, buttered banana. What do you want me to go?
Buttered banana. Why'd I keep running?
No, I'm trapped.
Go escape.
In multiple ways than one.
How do I stop spinning? Make me stop spinning.
Oh my god, dude.
Alright, I'm ending the video. I'll probably make an ever so slightly better video if Power is still streaming. Droopy Crossums, like that subscribe button. Power.
Yeah.
Why did I say it like that?
Why?
What'd you...
You'll never tag me. Gibbity toilet. Don't ever say that.
Don't be a brain rot face.
That's offensive to this community. Why did you have to summon What is it? I'm hearing this all the way over.
Power, where are you?
Wait, do your S's. Do your S's. Like, do Lucy's.
Are we going to virtual stumpage?
That sounds weird. Wait, say snake. Snake. Now say, bro.
What?
Now say that.
Oh.
I don't know what.
Oh, whatever, bye.
You're